How to recover deleted Telegram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can recover your deleted Telegram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you had previously deleted your Telegram account and you're trying to regain access to that account, first of all, it just depends upon how long has it been since you deleted your account. Because see, here's the thing, whenever you try to delete your account, Telegram will deactivate your account for 1 month or 30 days or sometimes 15 days. So until that time, your Telegram account will only remain deactivated, and anytime you change your mind and you want to reactivate it, you will be able to regain access to that account. But unfortunately, if it has already been quite the past period, over 15 days or 30 days that you try to delete your account, and now when you try to regain access, because your account has been permanently deleted, it will not be there at all. So I hope that this video helped you understand the question. You can always give it a try by trying to log into your Telegram account, but other than that, there is no other way. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.